Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your productivity and get more done in less time, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about productivity tools, what they are, how they work, and why you should start using them right now. Let's dive in. We will suggest you the best tools, so stay with us and see. So first things first, what exactly are productivity tools? In simple terms, these are apps, software, or even physical tools designed to help you work smarter, not harder. They help you stay organized, manage your time, keep track of your tasks, and reduce distractions. Whether you're managing a team, working on a solo project, or just trying to stay on top of everyday tasks, productivity tools are your go-to solution. Think of them as your personal assistant, but digital. They streamline your workflow and give you more control over your time. There are tons of different types of productivity tools, depending on what you need help with. Let's break down a few common categories. These help you organize your tasks and projects. Use tools like Trello or Asana to create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track your progress. If you want to focus on daily tasks, apps like Todoist or Microsoft To Do are perfect for breaking down big projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Google Calendar and Calendly are great for managing your time and scheduling meetings without all the back and forth. For staying organized and storing ideas, Notion and Evernote are top tier. And for those of us who struggle with staying focused, tools like Forest or Focus at Will can help block out distractions and keep you in the zone. Now, how do these tools actually help you? Great question. Let's break it down. First off, they help you save time. Instead of trying to remember everything in your head, you can use these tools to organize and automate tasks. For example, using a project management app can streamline your entire workflow, especially if you're working in a team. Second, they reduce stress. There's nothing worse than feeling overwhelmed by a long to-do list. With task management tools, you can easily see what's urgent and what can wait. And finally, they boost your focus. Tools like Pomodoro timers or apps that block distracting websites help you stay in the zone and get more done in less time. Okay, now you're probably wondering, which tool should I use? Good news, it all depends on your needs. Here are a few tips on how to pick the right productivity tool for you. First, identify your pain points. Do you struggle with managing time, staying focused, or keeping track of tasks? Choose a tool that addresses your biggest challenge. Second, think about ease of use. A productivity tool won't help if it's too complicated. Make sure it's something you can easily integrate into your daily routine. And finally, consider integration. Many tools work best when they sync with your other apps like your calendar, email, or project management system. Still not sure where to start? Here are 5 popular productivity tools you can try right now. Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and databases. Trello, perfect for visualizing projects with drag-and-drop boards. Todoist, for task management and daily to-do lists. Forest, stay focused by growing virtual trees every time you complete a task. Google Calendar, simple and effective for scheduling and time management. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope this gave you a better understanding of productivity tools and how they can help you get more done with less stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on staying productive and organized. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite productivity tool? See you in the next one.